This screencast is to create a presentation which will allow a user to navigate between three distinct areas of Swift. So I'll create a new Flash File ActionScript 2.0. I'm just going to zoom out to 66% so I can see the entire stage. I'm going to add a button. I'll use my oval tool, and I'll just choose a color for that. There we go. I make a perfect circle by holding down Shift. That is the circle that will be my button. I'm just going to select it with my selection tool. Modify, convert to symbol. And I'll call it button and make sure the type is button. Okay. I need two more of these, so I'm just going to drag two more from the library. There we go. I'll call this layer buttons and add a new layer called content so that we can actually see we're navigating two places. Grab my text tool and I'm just going to type in the text page 1 for my content. I'm going to add 30 frames. And add keyframes at 10 and 20 for the changes in content on the content layer. On frame 10 it'll be page 2. On frame 20 it'll be page 3. So this is what we have so far. Just gonna click on frame 1 here and press enter to play the movie. So we have to add stops. So I'll add an actions layer, add a keyframe before frame 10, and before frame 20, the beginning of the next section that is, and on frame 30. Again, the last frame before the beginning of the next section is a good place for a stop, in case we have animation between 1 and 10. So open up my actions panel, window actions, double click on stop, select frame 19, double click on stop, and 30, double click on stop. There we go, close my actions panel. Now to script the buttons, this first button will go to page 1. Doesn't matter what page they go to, they're not labeled. The script is on, space, bracket, choose release, close bracket, space, curly bracket, enter. Go to and play, just double click on go to and play, and time in the frame number that you want the playhead to go to when you release the button. Enter, close curly bracket. I'm going to select that, copy it to the other two buttons. I'll change that to frame 10. That's the next section. And paste this and change it to page frame 20. Page 3, third section. Go Control Enter. There's my presentation. There we go. We've added navigation simply. Again, stop the playhead, add actions to the buttons to send the playhead to those respective locations. Thank you.